Okay, Tony, we have speed. In 3, 2, 1. And you are live.
Most drone pilots struggle to get drone clients. And most drone pilots who do land clients struggle to keep them. If that's not fixed fast, your drone business will stall, spiral, and crash. Consider this episode an honest lifeline for real growth, real clients, real be-backs, and real profit. I'm breaking down 7 proven strategies to lock in long-term clients, boost your revenue, and build the drone business you've worked so hard to prepare for. My drone brothers and sisters, the truth is simple. No clients, no cash. Let's change that right now. Welcome to Drone Pilot MBA. Let me ask you something. What's the number one reason why most drone businesses fail in their first year? It's not bad flying. It's not poor editing. It's not your drone. And it's definitely not your breath. It's because they never figured out how to attract and keep clients. Now, one-off jobs are fine. But why stop there when long-term clients are what bring real income and growth? Client acquisition is expensive. Retention is profitable. Keep that pipeline flowing because 0 clients means 0 cash, plain and simple. You could have the cleanest footage, a flashy portfolio, even a slick website. But if no one's booking you, your gear becomes a dust collector. The raw truth, this business isn't just about our drones. It's about people. And if you're not actively building strong relationships, your business will struggle to lift off, no matter how stunning your aerials are. So today, I'm sharing 7 strategies to attract clients, keep them happy, and turn one-time gigs into loyal, long-term partnerships. All right, let's talk about the power of client relationships. Unbreakable client relationships, connections, are the foundation of success. Repeat business, referrals, trust, loyalty, they all come from deep client relationships. The drone industry is heating up. New Part 107 pilots are launching every day. And you need more than just good aerials. You need to deliver a stellar client experience. It's not about flying well. It's about becoming a partner clients trust, value, and will rave about. That's your competitive advantage. Strategy 2 is about how to build strong relationships. What heading do we set for profitable client relationships? Simple. Communication. Clear, concise, transparent every time. And don't talk too much. Listen. Listen with your eyes. Listen with your ears. Understand their goals. Summarize. Follow up. Let your actions show how much you care. Every project is different. Some clients want cinematic aerials. Some need delivery in a week. Others need it tomorrow morning. Be the pilot who brings their vision to life and exceeds their expectations every time. Strategy 3, proactive and responsive service. Too many drone operators wait for clients to reach out. Don't be that guy. Don't be that girl. Be proactive. Send regular check-ins, personalized emails, follow-ups. These little things build trust and make you unforgettable. And when something does go wrong, own it. Don't vanish. Don't get defensive. Don't play the blame game. Be humble. Be quick. Always make it right. Clients remember how you respond under pressure. So always respond like a true pro. Strategy 4, technology and tools. Let's kick it up a notch with your technological advantage. Use CRM tools, customer resource management tools. You want to automate smartly and you want to stay organized. I use a CRM to track communication, to automate follow-ups, and stay on top of client needs. It keeps me sharp and stops me from dropping the ball. Check out tools like HubSpot, Monday.com, Pipedrive, or Honeybook. There's more out there. Pick what fits your brand and work it consistently. Strategy 5 is about transparency and consistency. Always be transparent. Always keep clients updated, whether it's edits, scheduling, or maybe a simple check-in. Show them you're invested in their success. Then be consistent. Deliver amazing service every time. Make sure they know you're 100% dependable. Strategy 6, the long-term impact of client relationships. Strong relationships boost your bottom line. Do a great job and they'll tell 10 friends. Drop the ball, screw it up, they'll tell 1,000. Loyal clients bring referrals, reviews, repeat business. They are the lifeblood of your drone brand. Always serve them at the top of your game. And finally, here's strategy 7, the client relationship mindset, the psychology. Now, some are thinking, but Tony, it's all about tech, right? No, that's only part of the equation. At the end of the day, it's about the relationships you build. This isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Not a one and done, not see you later. This is long term. You're building trust that lasts and endures. Okay, here's your takeaway. Want to win in the drone business? Focus on people. Communicate clearly. Be proactive. Be humble. Stay sharp. Keep improving and keep building trust. Clients you impress today will help you scale tomorrow. Remember, relationships equal revenue. It's just that simple. If you've got a story to share about your own client wins, drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear it. And hey, if this video helped you, do me a favor. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell so you never miss a new episode. If you want more growth strategies, check out my other videos and articles. There are over 190 free resources waiting for you at aerialnorthwest.com. Keep on pushing, keep growing, and remember, strong relationships lead to profitable results. Thanks for joining me for this edition of Drone Pilot MBA. I wish you all green lights. I'll see you next time. Much love and keep on droning. Looks good. I like it. I like it. I like it. To more profitably thrive. Do I have lint on the shirt? Because last time I had like a really crazy hair on my shirt most of the time. Managing invoices, tracking expenses, and filing taxes. As a soldier, you're in the thick of it. Testing 1, 2. Test. Are your ears bleeding? You're juggling flights. Do we have like balls? I could do some juggling if you want to. As a sole drone, throw the ball and I could juggle. If you have any questions, let us know. If you have any comments, leave them below. If you'd like to hire us, you can get more information by visiting aerialnorthwest.com. Be smart, safe, and fly responsibly.